Are you searching for the best rolling mill machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best rolling mill machine in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Goldsmith Manual Rolling Mill Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. High-quality jewelry manual rolling mill. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Jewelry Rolling Mill Machine, 3-in-1 Rolling Mill. The rolling mills, with 3-in-1 performance, can press gold and silver into multiple sizes of sheet, square, and semicircle. Its rollers are also easy to change to satisfy your different requirements. A necessary machine for jewelry processing, highly durable. This jewelry rolling machine is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and has a long service life. Many occasions, this jewelry rolling machine can be used to make jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, watches, etc. It is a good helper for your daily life. Easy to care for. This jewelry rolling mill is easy to clean. Just rinse with water and dry it in a ventilated place.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Rolling Mill Machine Sturdy Manual Hand Crank Tableting Tool. Description: Manual control. This rolling mill machine is designed for manual control, allowing you to have control over the rolling process. The hand crank mechanism enables fine adjustments and ensures accurate thickness and texture for your jewelry pieces. Versatile tool for jewelry makers. This rolling mill is not just for stamping but also suitable for tableting, making it a versatile tool in your jewelry making arsenal. It can be used to flatten metals, create textures, and shape various materials, adding unique designs to your creations. Sturdy iron construction, built with iron material. This rolling mill ensures stability and reliability during use. The robust frame and precision-crafted rollers are designed to withstand regular use, making it a long-term addition to your jewelry-making toolkit. Compact size, with product dimensions of 26 cm x 18 cm x 10 cm, this compact rolling mill machine is easy to store when not in use without taking up too much space in your workshop or studio. Easy-to-use design. Whether you're a beginner or a professional jeweler, this user-friendly rolling mill machine is easy to use. Number 5. Rolling Mill Machine Assembled Jewelry Metal. Specifications: hand rolling mill, tools and equipment, jewelry making tools, jewelry rolling machine, manufacturer of jewelry tools. Features: this is a new combination rolling mill for making flat, square half-round sheet stock. Made from plate steel, not cast metal, allowing for better geometry, closer tolerances and greater durability. This unit is very versatile and will do flat stock, square and half-round wire without changing rollers.